Good day, I am Siti Johanna P. Mamadra, and this is my declamation of I Am a Filipino by Carlos Pinto. I am a Filipino, inheritor of a glorious past and a guardian of an uncertain future. I carry a twofold task to honor the legacy of my ancestors and to fulfill my duty to those yet to come. From hardy Malayan pioneers who braved the seas with the hope in their hearts, this land was sought and found. Every sword, every mountain, every river, a secret gift passed down through a generation. By the strength of their hands, in the rights of law and spirit, this land rich in soil, seas, forests, and minerals has been the home of my fathers for centuries. It is my trust to protect and pass on to my children forever. In my blood flows the immortal seed of heroes, the courage that resisted invaders, the spirit that defied oppression. From Lapu-Lapu's Lord to Rizal's sacrifice, from Bonifacio's fight to Quezon's leadership, this seed is eternal. I am a child of the East and the West, shaped by the mysticism and endurance of the East, and the dynamism and progress of the West. I stand at the crossroads of history, aware that no nation stands alone in this world. Through the song of farmers, the speed of pioneers, the endurance of workers, the care of teachers and doctors, and the march of soldiers, I weave my pledge. I am a Filipino, born to freedom. I pledge to honor my heritage and to strive without risk until freedom is secured for myself, my children, and generations to come. This is my inheritance. This is my pledge.